Full arch restoration does not need to be complicated. Our DigiBridge workflows bring clarity with 4 defined restorative pathways, all leading to the same predictable result. A final, full arch restoration which can be delivered in just 2 appointments in over 90% of cases, beautifully with guaranteed passivity. Number 1. First, we have Photogrammetry. It's the gold standard in record taking, and if you've invested in Photogrammetry, DigiBridge is built to help you get the very best from it. Whatever system you use, we can work with it. Number 2, Grammetry ArchBridge. Precise digital records using our own reusable horizontal scan body system. This paired with the innovative
Passivity Plus technology,
which is exclusive to Chorus 3D. It's a highly accurate, cost-effective solution for clinicians restoring full arch cases regularly. There's no need for expensive photogrammetry systems, just your iOS and the Grammetry ArchBridge kit. Number 3, Grammetry Optisplint, a single-use option which is ideal for lower volume clinics. These are horizontal scan bodies which you can loop chairside to create a master verification jig. This helps you ensure complete accuracy. It's simple, reliable, and accessible. And all you need to get started is your iOS. And number 4 is iJIG. This is designed for cases where other options may not be suitable. It's a single-use pay-per-case solution that again utilizes your iOS system. iJIG adds flexibility without compromising predictable passivity. So, DigiBridge has 4 restorative pathways. They produce the same predictable outcome, which is a final full arch restoration delivered in just 2 appointments in over 90% of cases with guaranteed passivity. Get our quick guide to DigiBridge and all 4 full arch workflows at chorus3d.com/DigiBridge.